Hello friends, good morning. My name is Bapin Mirdha and I am from India. In last video, I was talking about that why everyone should join in network marketing. And today I will talk about what is Atomy, how Atomy is working. Okay. So you know that 95% or you can say 99% people failed in network marketing company. Why is that? There are lots of reasons behind it. And you must also know that only 1% people in whole world are extraordinary rich. Okay. If you check the background of these people, you will find that their their background is a big business, or you can say they own a platform, or they have a big business, or they invested in a business, and it's make them extraordinary rich. Obviously they have a vision also. So if you have a dream, or if you want to make lots of money, or you also want to become extraordinary rich, then you must join in a network marketing company also, because a network marketing company, without investment, without invest any money, you can also become a extraordinary rich. Every dreams can be fulfilled here. Okay. So for leading a company, so there must be a leader, there must be a visionary leader. Okay. So in Atomy, the Atomy, Mr. CEO, Mr. Henry Park is the CEO of Atomy. When he started this Atomy, he has not much rich person, but he is rich in vision. Okay. So when a leader must have a vision for a 100 years, or you can say 50 years, 100 years, for smoothly running this company. Otherwise that company may be collapse after some time. So Mr. Henry Park is an amazing man. He is an extraordinary man, visionary leader, you can say. Why? When he started this business, he was not he was not a very rich person. He was a poor guy at that time. But now, within 11 years, this person, this person smoothly running this company and make it a extraordinary platform by 11 years. Okay. So right now Atomy is 1.73 billion company. Okay. And this company has vision, or you can say the CEO Mr. Henry Park has a vision that this company will be 100 billion dollar company by 2030. This is a great vision, my dear friends. Okay. And how this will be possible? This will be possible by e-commerce platform, by e-commerce. Okay. So Atomy is the first e-commerce platform in the history of direct selling industry. It is the first e-commerce platform. Okay. Atomy is a big shopping mall, huge mall. Atomy is a huge mall. Okay. In you know that is there are lots of e-commerce platform are there also, like Amazon, Walmart, Alibaba. In India it is Flipkart. Like that, Atomy has Azamall. Okay. In Azamall now there are 30,000 products available. Azamal has been not launched in India yet, but after some time the Azamal will be launched in India. Then Atomy distributor will make much and much more and more money. Okay. So I am going to talk about what actually how Atomy has come in market. You know, in India there is ISRO. In America, there is NASA. Similarly, in South Korea, there is one national research institute that is called KAERI. KAERI. The full form of KAERI is Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute. This KAERI has been established in 1959. Means this is 61 years old company till now. It is basically working on radiation and biotechnology. There are 4,000 scientists and 1,500 PhD scholars. They are working in KAERI. Okay. Similarly, there is also a government body in South Korea that is called Kolmar. Kolmar is a manufacturing unit of South Korea government. Okay, it has been established in 1921. Now it is 2021. So it is a 100 years old company. Okay, so in Kolmar they are only manufacture this product by getting the formula from KAERI. So they use the concept like OEM and ODM. What is OEM and ODM? It is original equipment manufacturer and original design manufacturer. What is the meaning of this? It means that when Kolmar want to manufacture a product, at first they manufacture the machine, the equipment. After that, after using this machine or equipment, they manufacture the product. And by this formula, the rate of this product become less. Okay. So fortunately, by 100 years, they giving this product or they manufacture this product for 500 branded company all over the world like Sasa, Avon, Edris, L'Oreal, Pond's, MOA. Lots of company are the clients of Kolmar. So after some time what happens that KAERI and Kolmar they merge together. So they make a new company that is called Kolmar BNH. Okay, so Kolmar BNH, in Kolmar BNH they manufacture the products and this product has been must be sold by a platform and that platform name is Atomy. Now you understand that what is Atomy, how Atomy has come to in market. Okay. So running a company there must be a visionary leader also and that person is Dr. Henry Park. Before before making the compensation plan, this person, this fellow has been read 250 books of direct selling direct selling company. Okay, so how he has the vast knowledge about the network marketing compensation plan. Okay, so that's why this makes him very unique person, and by this he has been he has been made a very extraordinary or very effective compensation plan of Atomy. So in Atomy there are there are three strong philosophy are working in Atomy. Okay, so first is customer success. Okay, so this Atomy is not a leader based company. This company is for customer, the success of customer. So Atomy produce high quality product, you can say, by KAERI and Kolmar. KAERI uses 3-4 very high technology, advanced technology. You can say fermentation technology and nanotechnology. Okay, and there are other technology are also you can say purification technology. Okay, there are lots of technology has been used by Carey and Colmar, and as a result the product has been manufactured by Colmar and are selling in the market of Atomy. So in Atomy, you can find a very high quality product that is called absolute quality. Absolute quality means very high quality and with low price. Absolute quality product at an absolute price. So because of this uh, this philosophy, the customer can success in Atomy, and also by the effective compensation plan. Second philosophy is this company is a premier. This company vision is to premier company. Okay, and third is this will be a distribution hub of world. You know there are lots of distribution hub are there in the world. For example, Amazon, Walmart, Alibaba, and other also. So after some time, every distribution hub of world they must passes through Atomy. Otherwise, they may left behind, and like their resultant like will be like at Nokia. Okay, so there is a very huge vision that Atomy is working on the market. So in Atomy, you can find daily necessities product with absolute quality at an absolute price. Now I must tell you about one product of Atomy that is called also master product of Atomy. This product has been made because of cancer. Okay, cancer disease. So this product name is Hemohim, and I must feel, and I am feeling very proud when I talking about Hemohim. Hemohim is basically made for cancer. It also create or it also regenerate the cancer cell. Sorry, regenerate the cell. Okay, and destroy and can destroy the cancer cell also. So manufacturing this product, manufacturing the Hemohim by Carey, it took 8 years of research of 15 scientists, and they invest 36 crore rupees of money. This is amazing product. So cancer, so this product is basically for cancer, and among them and also there are 40 to 50 critical disease also can be cured by this Hemohim. So this is, you can understand or you can imagine or you can visualize that if a company has a potential to manufacture a product, and behind that product, manufacturing this product, there are lots of money, 15 scientists and 159 research paper has been published. So how this product will be, this is a marvelous product. Okay, so another things is that this product, this Hemohim is the highest selling in the history of direct selling industry in a consecutive 6 years. So this is amazing product, and there are lots of health product also you can find in Atomy. Okay, so friends, today I have been talking about lots of things about the direct selling company and about Atomy, how Atomy is working, how Atomy has come. So in next session we may talk about compensation plan and etc. Okay, thank you so much for listening me.